Hello again. I am going to make a little bit of an extra video regarding a different video I have made earlier. First video I made on this topic was a video on how to create your custom color for the appearance of an object. The second video I made was how to remove a color from an object. Now, I discovered today that an object can have several colors assigned. So when you remove one color, it will default to the other color, and if you remove that one, it could default to a third color. It all depends on how many colors you actually apply to the object. So in this case, as you can see here, I have yellow assigned to this object. So if I go to appearance, you will see that I have this one assigned, and according to the old tutorial, you go and you select okay, you go and select okay, select object applied to, and then you right click again and you select unassign and delete. Fine, but black is still not the default color for this object. I have at some point added black to it as a test, and what you then need to do again is you need to go and select properties, and then you can see that the color that it now has is steel satin. And again, like I told you in the original video, you need to go and select appearance, and you need to find the color, which is this one. If you click a color that isn't assigned, it will basically just say that there is nothing to find it for. So let's try and remove the steel satin for now. Select objects applied to, right click, and assign and delete. It still says it doesn't have it, but that is because it's actually a different color that's assigned. If you see here, it marks both of them. I have a different object that it added this color to by accident when I have both of them selected. So it thinks that this object has this color because it was added in duplication with the other object. And the other object currently has a manual glossy black. So what you can do then is you can go in and you can say okay, this object appearance, see which one is it. If I right click the black one here and select objects applied to, you will see that it selects it, but it has like a frame showing I added it before I extruded a part away from it. Now I can go and take unassign and delete, and you see that it defaults back to the default black one. Let's check the color of the other one. The other one is also gray now, because when you do this, you unassign the color from both of the objects. So let's say I just want that color on that single object, so I want to go back, appearance, and I want to add it just to that. Okay. And for some reason it's linked, so it still thinks it's both objects. Appearance, select objects applied to, and unassign and delete. So that is how you sort of get back to the original color you had. Sometimes a color may be duplicating by accident over to other objects. So I hope this was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.